Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to solve the problem of temporary hold unsuccessful. This particular restriction has really been a big problem to so many people. They will try on several occasions to, you want to run an advert. The advert is active, but it's not delivering. And then when you go to your payment settings, you see something like temporary hold unsuccessful, try hold again. And now, in fact, even if it's a postpaid ad account, it makes some sense somehow because they will tell you there is insufficient funds. And for postpaid ad account, you are the advert will run before you pay. So normally they try to check whether you have enough money in your debit card. So when they try hold again and there is no enough money, they will probably say temporary hold unsuccessful. But however, this particular situation, you may have money. This is even a prepaid what they call it, ad account. You can see that there is 20,000 naira that the person has in the ad account, but it's still showing temporary hold unsuccessful. For what do they want again? The person already has money, and you are saying that there is insufficient money, and probably the amount they are trying to hold is not even up to the amount that is here. So I'm going to show you exactly the procedures you need to follow to be able to solve this problem. I have been able to solve this problem within I've done several videos on this, and there has been a recent development today. I've been able to solve another new one, and I'm going to show you. So as you can see, so for this one, when I click on approve hold, when it was temporary hold unsuccessful, and I click on approve hold, as you can see, it says ad account now active, temporary hold approved. Your ad account is now active and you can run ads after a few days. The pending charge on your payment method will be removed and will be charged for the ads you run. So that is what is being said here. So what it means is that the hold has been removed. And when we run the advert, as in when we reach to a certain amount that they need to charge, when we reach to our threshold, then it will be debited. So this just tells you that the problem has been resolved. Now, I want to just let you know exactly how I was able to resolve it and how you can follow the process to get it resolved. The truth is that there is, in some cases, you easily get it resolved. In some cases, too, some of the procedures that I'm going to recommend, it may not work for you. And if it doesn't work for you, it's not my problem, but it's from Facebook, because this temporary hold problem is from their system. That is why you need technical assistance for it to help you get it resolved. So sometimes if you follow one of the procedures, it doesn't work, follow another procedure and it may work for you. Don't conclude that the procedure is not working. Okay. Now, so when you log into your ad account, for example, you log into your ad account and you see that the advert is active, for example, and not delivering. This one is now moving and working. For the past day, it didn't run. No one was sending any message and nothing was happening. But for now, as I speak, the response is better. Now, so let's say that you want to resolve this. Let's say this problem wasn't resolved yet. You come and click on billing. When you click on billing, it brings you to the payment settings or the billing, and then you go to payment settings and you are here. Now, when you come, scroll down and check payment activity, you will see a certain amount indicated there. That is the amount they were trying to charge. Understand that temporary hold is not that they are trying to deduct money on your account. They are trying to check whether you have enough money to run the advert for up to some number of days. So when they check and there's no enough money, that is why they say insufficient fund. However, there are some cases where you will still have the money there and they will still tell you not enough money. So what you will need to do is to come and check what amount they were trying to deduct here and go to your bank or the debit card that is connected to your account, or whether it's PayPal. Make sure you have enough money up to the amount that they were trying to hold and it was not successful. They are not deducting it. They will only check when you put enough money there. You come and click on try hold again. When you click on try hold again, you will see it will be approved. In some cases, scroll down. If you have account spending limit, when you come under account spending limit, you see it remove the account spending limit. remove the account spending limit. Then, as I said, you check how much money they are trying to deduct and make sure there's more than that money. In some cases, it could be that you are using the amount Facebook is trying to deduct is in a different currency from what is your primary payment method or your the debit card of your bank. So for example, your debit card could be in let's say Ghana cedis, Nigerian naira, South African rand, or Indian rupees. And then what you are trying to put, what you are paying for the advert in dollars. The other account currency is dollars and your debit card currency is a different currency. Make sure that the exchange rate, because of exchange rate charges, sometimes what you may be using, for example, you may think that $1 is, let's say, 12 Ghana cedis, but in actual fact, the bank is charging $1 at 15 Ghana cedis. So you make sure you have at least twice of the amount they are trying to charge, so that even in case of higher exchange rate fees, you will still be able to meet the temporary hold they are trying to hold, the amount they are trying to hold, and your temporary hold will be approved. So that is the main thing. You check the amount and make sure you have enough money in your account. Then the second one I said is that remove, if you have any account spending limit, remove it. The third one is that change the debit card that you are using. If you try hold and it doesn't succeed, so for example, you may see something like, so when you come back and you see try hold again or update payment method, so you click on the update payment method, then you add a new debit card to it. If you add a new debit card and then that card has enough money, it will definitely go. In some cases, as I said earlier, your card could even have the enough money and they still say unsuccessful. But if you try with a different card, sometimes it's just that the system hasn't synchronized with your bank successfully. So it is recognizing your bank account as not having enough money. So you need to try all these. Now, in the worst case, when you try all that and it is not successful, then you check the link above, follow it to that video, and then you'll be able to create a new advertising account, or check in the video description, follow that video, you'll be able to create a new advertising account and be able to advertise. In that video, I've done a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a new advertising account. Now, I'm sounding extra caution. Those of you who will watch and go and comment and say the video is useless, please understand that this is a technical problem from Facebook. You can also contact Facebook support and complain to them by checking the link above, the link above, or you can also check the description for the video. You can also contact Facebook support, complain to them. It's a technical problem. If you're having money in your account and they are saying you don't have enough money, it's from them, and you have to follow up for them to help you solve it. So if you follow this and it doesn't help, contact them, or you can contact me and I will help you. I will log in to check all the things on your other account. What I'm saying this is from my previous experience, some of you will follow it and you may not get a solution, and you go and write there that this video is useless or this video is not helping you. But even if it doesn't help you, know that it is helping others. And you have to also know that the problem is from Facebook. And it is only sometimes if you try all the options available and it doesn't work, either you contact me or you contact Facebook for them to look more details into the technical aspect of your case and can help with solving. Okay, so that is exactly what you need to do. I have solved this more than 2,000 of these problems for people, and I'll also be able to help you to get your issue resolved. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.